So I recently bought this house and it has some squeaks in the floors, especially the ones underneath the carpet. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the squeaks from the floors. Some people can live with it, but I can't. It's very annoying when you walk on it. I don't know if you can hear that. Right there. So what you will need is a screwdriver, a screw bit, a tape measure to find your joists in the floor, and this tool I found on Amazon. You can buy it at the Home Depot, you can buy it at any hardwood store. It's about $20, and this will help you get down to the joists far enough with the screws to where it won't stick up in the carpet. So this tool goes on the floor and then it helps you get the screw far enough in the floor so when you step on the carpet it doesn't poke your feet. One good trick to finding the joist in your floor is find you a vent. So the joist normally in a normal built home goes to the narrow side of the house. For my house, the narrow side of my house goes this way, the wider side goes this way. So one good trick is to find a vent in the floor, and the vent is always on a joist on both sides. So if I run my drill bit down here, there should be a joist right there. And that's my joist. So your joist runs from 12 inches to 15 inches from each other, a long ways on the narrow side of your house. So that's a joist here. You find another joist right there, and there'll be another one 12 to 15 inches away. So there's 12 inches, 1 foot. There should be another joist right there. If the home is built per code, there should be a joist right there. And there, 12 inches. So there's one here and then there's one here. So your joist runs like this in your home, all the way across. So what's happening with the floor is that the fasteners they use is coming loose in the floor. So what happens, the baseboard is lifting up. Whenever you step on it, it lifts up from the joist. So what you want to do, you want to screw that back down. So this is a tool that you're going to use. It comes with this special adapter for the screws that it comes with. So this is the special screws right here. It's going to break off right at this point. So it's going to go far enough into the floor and stop with using this tool here. So this goes in here like that, and it goes in the screw, and it goes far enough down to where it stops right at the measurement of the legs. So it's going to stop right here. So there's one of the joists that I found earlier, and there's 12 inches away. The floor squeaks right around here. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to get this to sit back down on the joist. So this is the baseboard, you want it to sit right back down on the joist. So there's one, and then there's 12 inches right here. There should be another one right there. So we're going to line it up all the way across here. So we sit that down. And there's the joist. So you want to run it down closer. You run it down all the way down. Till it stops. And that's one. I don't normally only use this for the first one to see how far it's in there. And then I just do the rest of it by eye. So as far as it goes. So, found all the joists in the floor where the noise happens. The noise is happening right here. There's a few other spots in the floor, but the major noise is right here. So you can see I found the one there, one there, one there, one there, and the noise is right there. So I'm going to line it up right with that along here, and we're going to get rid of that. I'm going to put the hammer down so you remember the spot. So the noise is right there. So now you can see that's what the noise was mostly, but I ran across the joist all the way down. Notice all the screws in there. So there shouldn't be any noise right here right now because the board is stacked down. Gone. Squeak be gone. That annoying sound that you step on, it's now gone. You can dance on the floor now, and it won't even make a sound. Now all that's left to do is we need to break off the screws. So now that it's gone, you want to just come in like this, clip it in like that, and just wiggle it from side to side, and it breaks off. And there's no screw to stick your feet, and it doesn't damage your carpet.